Loving students, you are welcomed in our online classes. Students, you are studying direct and indirect space. Today, we will study about objective sentences. Students, all of you know about objective sentences. Objective sentence means इच्छा सूचक वाक्य. इच्छा सूचक वाक्य it is your model. Loving students, if the reported speech begins with may or may God or happy or good morning, goodbye, congratulations, thank you, sorry, then we feel that the reported speech is in objective sentences. If the reported speech has may or may God, happy, good morning, goodbye, thank you, sorry, you will feel that that is an objective sentence. In this way, you will recognize your reported speech. Loving students, if you want to change objective sentences into indirect speech, you will learn some important rules. Students, the mother said, may you live long. It is your sentence. It is your model. May you live long. If the reported speech has may, if the reported speech has may and its meaning is showing wish. If the reported speech has the meaning of wish, if the reported speech shows the meaning of wish, आशीर्वाद का भाव हो, शुभकामना का भाव हो, we change said or said to of reporting verb into wished. Learn it. If the reported speech shows, if the reported speech shows the meaning of wish, if the reported speech has the meaning of wish, we change said or said to into wished. In this way, you can change your sentences into indirect speech. Students, all of you know that may changes into might. Students, if the reporting verb is said, if the reporting verb is said, may changes into might. All of you know that second person changes according to the object of reporting verb, but there is no object. if the reported speech has no object and if the reporting verb has no object, if the reporting verb has no object and the reported speech has second person subject or object or possessive case, we change total second person into third person. If the reporting verb has no object and the subject of reported speech is in the second person or object of reported speech is in the second person, we change second person into third person. In this way, you will change your sentence into indirect speech. We use conjunction that. Learn it. If the reported speech shows the meaning of wish, if the reported speech has the meaning of wish, you will change said or said to into wish. You will use conjunction that. In this way, you can change it into indirect speech. It is your indirect. The mother wished. The mother wished that. If you want to change you into he, it will be he, or she, it will be she. In this way, you can change it. The mother wished that he or she may change it into might live long. It will be your indirect speech. In this way, you can change any sentence into indirect speech. The mother wished that he might live long or she might live long. Students, the father said to the son, may God bless you. The father said to the son, may God bless you. See the sentence very attentively. The father said to the son, may God bless you. You see, may God. You are seeing, here may God. May God. If the reported speech has the meaning of wish or goodwill, if the reported speech shows the meaning of wish or goodwill, we change the said or said to into prayed. For may God, we change said or said to into prayed. But its meaning should be for goodwill. If the reported speech shows the meaning of goodwill, यदि मे गॉड का प्रयोग शुभकामना के लिए हो, आशीर्वाद के लिए हो, यदि मे गॉड का प्रयोग शुभकामना के लिए हो, आशीर्वाद के लिए हो, तब आप मे गॉड के लिए सेडिया सेट्टो को प्रेड में चेंज करेंगे. If the reported speech shows the meaning of wish या goodwill, we will change said or said to into prayed. We use conjunction that. In this way, you can change it into indirect speech. We never use object with prayed. Students learn it. We never use object with prayed. If you want to use object, you will use object with for. For plus object. For plus object. In this way, you can change your sentence. You understand? Learn it. If the reported speech shows the meaning of goodwill, you will change said or said to into prayed. We use conjunction direct. Indirect. The father prayed. The father prayed. If you want to use object, you will use for before object. The father prayed for the son that God might bless. Second person changes according to the object of reporting work, so you will change into him. It will be your indirect space. The father prayed for the son. The father prayed for the son that God might bless him. If you do not want to use object, you will write it. The father prayed. The father prayed that God might bless him. There are two points to change into indirect space. We can change it with object. We can write it without object. The father prayed that God might bless him. The father prayed for the son that God might bless him. In this way, you can change any sentence into indirect space. If the reported space shows the meaning of curse, if the reported space has the meaning of curse, it is your sentence. The hermit said, may you go to hell. Is you understand? Learn it. Here, your reported space is showing the meaning of curse. All of you know that if the reported space has the meaning of curse, we change said or said to into curse. Learn it. If the reported space shows the meaning of curse, if the reported speech has the meaning of curse, we change said or said to into curse. We use conjunction that. In this way, you can change your sentence into indirect space. See, may will change into might. May changes into might. You will change into third person. Go to hell. Hell means बच्चों नरक होता है. Hell means नरक. याद कर लो. Hell means नरक. हर्मिट में सन्यासी होता है, प्यारे बच्चों, हर्मिट में सन्यासी। द हर्मिट सेड मे यू गो टू हेल, ईश्वर करे तुम नरक में जाओ, अब शाप दे रहा है। फॉर सोविंग कर्स वी चेंज सेड आर सेड टू इनटू कर्स। Indirect, the hermit, cursed that he or they might go to hell. In this way, you can change any sentence into indirect case. Students, if the reported speech has happy, see your sentence very attentively. If the reported speech shows happy, if the reported speech has the meaning of happy, बधाई देने का भाव हो, किसी भी शुभ अवसर पर शुभ कार्य के लिए एक बधाई देने का भाव हो, तब आप रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के स्टेट या स्टेट टू को वेफर में चेंज करेंगे। आप स्टडी इफेक्टों को वेस्ट में चेंज करेंगे। याद कर लो, इफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच हैज द मीनिंग ऑफ हैप्पी, इफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच हैज द मीनिंग ऑफ हैप्पी, वी चेंज सेड आर सेड टू ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इनटू वेस्ट। इन सम सेंटेंसेस वी यूज कंजंक्शन दैट, बट we try not to use conjunction that. If the reported speech shows the meaning of happy, we change said or said to into wished. We do not use conjunction that. We never use conjunction that. We change into indirect speech without that. See a sentence. I said to my friend, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I said to my friend, happy birthday to you. See the sentence very carefully. Here is showing happy. So, if the reported speech shows the meaning of happy, if the reported speech has happy, we change said or said to into wished. In this way, you can change it. I wished my friend a happy birthday. I wished my friend a happy birthday. In this way, you can change happy sentences into indirect speech. Learn it. Here, reported speech is showing meaning of wish happy. So, for happy sentences, we change said or said to into wished. It will be indirect speech. I wished my friend a happy birthday. If you do not want to use object, If you do not want to use object before happy, you will write it as I wished happy birthday. I wished a happy birthday to my friend. In this way, you can change your sentences. If the reported space has good morning, the student said to the teacher. The student said to the teacher, good morning, sir. The student said to the teacher, good morning, sir. You are saying good morning here. Student, if the reported speech has good morning, if the reported speech has good morning, it has the meaning of wish. So we change said or said to of reporting verb into wished. Learn it. If the reported speech has good morning, or good noon, or good evening, or good night. Learn it. If the reported speech has good morning, or good noon, or good evening, or good night, we change said or said to into wished. We never use conjunction that. We do not use conjunction that. We try to make sentence without that. See a sentence. The student wished the teacher good morning. The student wished the teacher good morning. He said to me, good night. We shall meet again. See this type of sentence. If you see this type of sentence in your reported speech, you will change it in the following way. Students, all of you know that good night is in objective sentence. Good night is showing that it is an objective sentence, but we shall meet again is showing that it is an affirmative sentence. Learn it. Good night is an objective sentence, but we shall meet again is showing that it is an affirmative sentence. So you will change it in two types. See, good night, her good night, we change said or said to into wished. But we shall meet again. We shall meet again is showing that good night has come for goodbye, for separation. So for this type of sentence, if the reported speech has good morning, we shall meet again, good evening, We shall meet again. Good night. We shall meet again. If you see this type of sentence, you will change said or said to into bed. Said or said to into bed. He bade me. He bade me good night. Good night. And told that first person changes according to the subject of reporting verb. First person changes according to the subject of reporting verb. So we will change into he. He will shall change into food. Shall will change into food. Meet again. In this way, you can change any sentence into indirect space. See the sentence very carefully and learn it. Here once more. For good night, we shall meet again. Good evening, we shall meet again. This sentence shows that the subject is departing from the object. Subject is departing from the object. So, said or said to will change into bade. He bade me, it will be direct space. He bade me good night and told that he would meet again. Students, if the reported speech has congratulations, if the reported speech has congratulations, if you see congratulations in your reported speech, you should know that the reported speech has the meaning of congratulations. So, for congratulations, we change said or said to into congratulated. Learn it. For congratulations, we change said or said to of reporting verb into congratulated. If you want to use conjunction that, you can use it. If you do not want to use conjunction that, do not use it. In this way, you can change any sentence into indirect space. The mother said to the son, congratulations. You have got a great success. It is your sentence. If the reported speech has the meaning of congratulations, you will change the said or said to into congratulated. So, it will be your indirect space. The mother congratulated the son. The mother congratulated the son for getting a great success. The mother congratulated the son for getting a great success. If you want to use conjunction that, you will change it as the mother congratulated the son that he had got a great success. The mother congratulated the son that he had got a great success, but he will try to change it as the mother congratulated the son for getting a great success. Students, if the reported speech has thank you or sorry, you can change it. For thank you, you will change said or sorry into thanked. If the reported speech has thank you, if the reported speech has thank you, you will change said or sorry into thanked. If the reported speech has sorry, you will change said or sorry into expressed sorry. If the reported speech has a glass of water, a glass of water. If you see this type of sentence, if the reported speech has only a glass of water, here shows a desire, so you can change said or said to into wished. He wished for a glass of water. He wished for a glass of water. Students, in this way you can change any type of sentence into indirect speech. It is your rules. You have heard all the rules to change into indirect speech. We hope that you will revise this exercise with the help of your textbook. If you revise well at home, you will get a good preparation for your examination. Thanks all of you for watching the video.